Not too shabby. Let's move on to the next phase. Better than before. More shelves. I've been trying to organize more around here, and I'm just trying to utilize every square inch of this place. So I'm thinking about putting a rack for rims, just rims up here. 15-inch rims would be the biggest. And then see if I can try to squeeze tires on this bottom rack. Maybe just pull out this grate and let them hang out in here. And keep organizing all this stuff. I got a lot of scrap metal. A lot of USPS boxes I hot glued together. And then remember I made this light that floats so the garage door can open and close. But I also reinforced the shelves. I just put a strip into the studs here, just a 1x2, just because this MDF was kind of sagging. And I moved all my Celica parts from here up into here, overhead. And hopefully I'm trying to clear this space because I ordered this large cabinet set from Costco. So it should fit perfectly within this profile. So if we measure a 15-inch wheel, it's not going to be 15 inches. It's going to be 16 and a quarter. So with the amount of wood I need, about 17 inches from the ceiling to make it fit. So I need 17 inches at least from the ceiling. We have 39. So 39 minus 17 minus 39, that's 22. And that's about the outer diameter of a 195 50-15. So this should work out because the rims are going to be on top. So we'll have a little more space because it's not going to protrude all the way out. So I'll be able to move tires in and out of here. Grab some of these because I have a lot more of these. Place these on all the studs along the wall there. And then we'll just get a strip of this 1x2. And we'll just bolt one in the front, one in the back. And we'll see how many wheels we can stack. And I hope that's accurate. So we're gonna start pre-drilling holes. And my idea is essentially, you know, this is gonna sit in here. I could have a 1x2 here, a 1x2 right here. I can have a 1x2 here and a 1x2 here. And this will sit in this little section. I just need to make sure that I mount this the correct distance from the roof to the bottom. This should sit 17 and a half. Let's visualize our win here. That'll be fine. Maybe. Let's see. Okay, this one's a little shorter. This is 195 50-15. That should fit right in place. All right, simple tire. Here's my simple rim rack. Just a shelf bracket from Amazon and some 1x2s. There's my collection of terrible wheels. Let's dust these things off. Alright, we just dusted all the cobwebs off and whatever dirt and mud were on here. SSR Longchamp. Bent. SSR MK2. Also bent. SSR Star Shark. This one's a different offset and it's bent. Volk Hex Mesh. Enki 92. SSR E-Wing style mesh. I moved a 15-inch wheel here and moved the skinny Longchamp right here, and more or less everything fits. Here's the rack. Not too shabby. Let's move on to the next phase. Watanabe RS8, Buddy Club P1, another Buddy Club P1, centerline wheels, some fake mesh, one more fake mesh, Volk Hex Mesh, and another Volks. But I have to tuck it in between here because this is lifted. Not so shabby. Look at that. Selection of tires. And I just had to slide this one over because it hits the top better than before. Okay, so this is what I ended up with for now. Just put some rims there, put that so it didn't roll away. So far so good, no issues with it. When I get the feature toolbox, I might put an extra rack on top for wheels and tires. We'll see. I need to finish the shelf along this wall. Please like, comment, and subscribe. After we rip some plywood. Not the lightest thing. We're short. A little bit of miscalculations. With every problem comes a solution. And since I was just a little shy of reaching my goal, I just chopped these. Put the ugly side in. Just put a couple screws here and that's it.